if you see at the national level or at the state level also, the thrust of the work which is carried out in the literary field today in terms of language and literature is of three types. As one you have said already, the Adivasi literature, the tribal literature. The second part of that is children's literature. And of course, the third part is translation. These are the three things which every literary body, may it be NBT, Sahitya Academy, and all other such bodies like CIL, Mysore, National Translation Mission, all of them are focused at these three activities. What are the activities of NBT in terms of children literature and translations?
That's very nice. You are very right that we are doing original books, we are doing translations, we are doing tribal literature. As far as children literature is concerned, there are two important aspects to it. One is ease of learning, and second is the impact it leaves on. So the role of books is not only confined to the text part of it, but also the silent, that is illustrations, the graphics, the designing, the technological art aspect of it. So when we integrate all of them, we have one of the finest illustrators, graphic designer, content writers with us. And that's how we have been doing workshops in all over the countryside. And also we try to integrate the local ethos, local cultural aspects so that the learning is enhanced. With the new education policy, that National Education Policy 2020, which says that we have to work on foundation learning, definitely the toy-based learning, integrated learning, experiential learning, silent books. So these things are very, very important, for which a very systematic research and scientific work is done. Today, we are here only for the same work. We are working on the children books. We are sitting with the local experts. We are sitting with the local illustrations, so that when they design or graphically they portray something, that local touch is there, and the child who is just forming up his mind, what he sees in his community, he can see the same thing on the books. That's how the learning is enhanced. So the idea is to go to the ground where the book has to be done, and then create the content and put it in a way that it can have a permanent and long-lasting learning impact. That is the whole idea. Not only this, we are going ahead very actively in the segment of e-books, and also integrate our learning with audiobooks and other formats of learning. So with COVID and all, this is a new domain which everyone has realized the potential of. So we have to make a combination of both the approaches and create a better holistic learning system.